Match the thermodynamic processes taking place in a system with the correct conditions. In the table, del Q is the heat supplied, del W is the work done, and del U is the change in internal energy of the system. You have to match the process with the correct conditions. So according to theory, in an adiabatic process, del Q is equal to 0. In an isothermal process, del U, the change in the internal energy of the system, is 0. In an isobaric process, integration of pressure into change in volume is equal to 0. Therefore, del of the work done is equal to 0. And in an isobaric process, neither the change in heat, change in internal energy, or the change in work done is equal to 0. So the correct answer is option 3.